Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Physics Past Question 7. So you have a diagram here and you have to use it to answer the question. Now the diagram above represents balls in an undulating surface. Which of the following options represents positions of stable equilibrium? A. 2, 5 and 8. B. 1, 4 and 7. C. 3, 6 and 9. D. 3, 4 and 8. Now you have this diagram here representing balls at various points in an undulating surface. So a surface that is not flat, an undulating surface. Now we are asked for the ones which represent positions of stable equilibrium. Now stable equilibrium, a body is said to be in stable equilibrium if it tends to return to its original position when slightly displaced. So if a body is in a position such that when you slightly displace it, it will return back to its original position, that body is said to be in stable equilibrium. Now let's look at each of the positions in the diagram. Now number 1, or the ball in number 1, is located up here. So what will happen if you displace it? If you displace it slightly, it will fall. If you displace it this way or this way, for example, it will fall downwards and take rest at a new position. The same thing applies for 4 and for 7. So when you displace them, what will happen is that they won't return to their original position. They will just take a new position. So they are not in stable equilibrium. Now ball 2, ball 5 and ball 8 are in similar positions. Now what happens there, when they are displaced, they will also come to rest in a new position, and they do not fit into this definition of stable equilibrium. Hence they are not in stable equilibrium. But ball 3, ball 6 and ball 9, what will happen is that when they are displaced slightly, either this way or this way, because of the shape of the surface, they will come back to their original position. They will come, or they will return to their original position when displaced. So 3, 6 and 9. 3, 6 and 9 is option C. So option C is the correct answer to this question. Now in addition to what we've just said, usually an example of stable equilibrium that is usually given is a ball in the middle of a bowl. So a ball in the middle of a bowl, when you displace it, it will return back to its original position. Now you can see the positions of these 3 balls. The shape of the surface looks as if they are in the middle of a bowl. So that's another indicator that they are in stable equilibrium. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.